Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Porter Prize 2023. Recently, Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry received the Porter Prize 2023. The prize was announced during the India Dialog at Stanford University. It recognized the government's strategy in managing COVID-19, also the approach and involvement of various stakeholders, especially the involvement of ASHA workers in the industry to create PPE kits. The country's contribution to developing and manufacturing vaccines was also lauded. Porter Prize is named after award-winning economist Michael E. Porter. Michael Porter is the founder of the modern strategy field and one of the world's most influential thinkers on management and competitiveness. The author of 19 books and over 130 articles, he is the Bishop William Lawrence University professor at Harvard Business School. He is the director of the school's Institute of Strategy and Competitiveness, which was founded to further his work and research. He is also the most cited scholar today in economics and business.